Using balloons and rockets, astronomers have successfully launched telescopes into Earth orbit above the distorting effects of the atmosphere. Soon after Hubble was deployed, scientists discovered an aberration in the 94-inch primary mirror. Even so, the huge spaceborne telescope has been returning a steady stream of new information, particularly with the aid of computer enhancement. This is the telescope's original image of a galaxy 52 million light-years from Earth, as it is cleaned up to its final version.
It's often said that a picture is worth 1,000 words. In fact, these corrected images are as perfect as engineering can achieve and as the laws of physics will allow.
Particularly with the aid of computer enhancement.
I think that this is probably the most exciting image of a planetary that I have seen because of the level of complexity and detail that we see here. It's really quite unprecedented. Other objects are simply messy, but this one has got all sorts of fascinating structure.
Particularly with the aid of computer enhancement.
The reason they're called planetary nebulae is because in the last century when people were using small telescopes, some of the small round ones looked a little bit like the planets Uranus and Neptune in our solar system, and that's how they picked up that name. But really, it is the cloud of gas which is produced at the end of a star's lifetime.
Particularly with the aid of computer enhancement. Particularly with the aid of computer enhancement.
From the point of view of just the average person, I suppose you could say that it's interesting because it's a window on our own future. Because this represents the last stage in the evolution of ordinary stars, a star like our own sun, is going to go through an episode of this sort in maybe 5-6 billion years from now. So in some sense, when we look at an object like this, we're looking at the future of our own solar system. It tells us what is going to happen to a star like the sun in a very long time.
Particularly with the aid of computer enhancement.